Alright, just a quick one, lads, before this video starts. Section 17 has officially added hoodies. I have had a fair amount of requests for the hoodies, so there you go. Still the same designs. I am going to be focusing more on designs in a later date. But yeah, and also I do ship to America and other international countries. But yeah, if you do want to check this out, it is in the description box below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, what's going on, guys? This video is going to be a little bit different. I was going to do a video on reacting to celebrities wearing fakes, but then I come across this person and I had to make a video on it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so the name of this designer is called Nicole Mclaughlin. I hope I got that name right. I believe I did get it right. But yeah, anyway, so she's like a fashion designer that does like creative sort of concepts that you wouldn't normally like necessarily see. I'm not talking about like a jacket with like an extra pocket. I'm talking like a jacket made out of fucking Lego or something like. Alright, so in this video, you are going to be looking at some of the most creative fashion pieces your eyeballs have ever witnessed. Like, real talk, I'm not even joking. She is a designer based in New York, and I can't lie in it. Like, obviously, based on her photos, she's looking alright still. But anyway, enough of that. Obviously, I'm keeping it PG out here. Let's get into the actual, designs and concept. Alright, starting off with the goalkeeper glove jacket. Obviously, a jacket made out of goalkeeper gloves. The amount of time to like make this must have been crazy. But yeah, just a creative piece. Alright, if you like Hot Wheels, you're going to be a big fan of this jacket because obviously a fully transparent jacket and then you got Hot Wheels just going all around the jacket. This is gas. This is straight up gas and a flex and a half. Yeah, this is actually serious, real talk. This one's actually cool as fuck. I can't even cap. Fucking Haribo's made of shorts. Round of applause, like real talk. And now these are one of my favourite pieces as well. Obviously shorts made out of Qatar hats. Who's even doing that? Like a real talk, like this actually looks drippy and I would actually wear this. Yeah, like this sort of fashion actually just blows my mind. Alright, and now I wanted to say these are badminton shutters or balls or whatever. Obviously she got a load of them, made them into a shoe. These look like the brand new Yeezys or something. Like, these look fucking crazy. Alright, don't even gas me up. Yeah, how the hell has she made some heels but it's got a portable charger of where the heel's supposed to be? Real talk, yeah, if someone hasn't hired her to be design director of fucking Burberry or like Gucci or something, they are missing out because this lady right here is fucking crazy creative. We've even got fucking Lego shorts. I mean, to be fair, like sitting down on this must hurt a treat. I'm not even joking, but nonetheless, still a creative like design. Oh my days, she actually fully made a utility jacket out of Hermes bags. Like, yeah, that is actually serious. Psst. I'm actually so speechless. Like, real talk, yeah. I wish I come up with half of these designs because these are, yeah, different. Oh wow, this is actually sick. Real talk, yeah. Like, who would even thought of making this? Very creative. To be fair, though, I wouldn't want to see any of my girls like in this. Real talk, like a bit but still, I can appreciate it. And now this looked bougie as fuck, I can't lie. Obviously you got the tennis balls obviously split up and like wrapped around to make I want to say a slider or something, but I would actually rock these differently. Yeah, this is actually sick. Alright, and now this is sort of the same concept to the bra and knickers, but obviously as a Qatar shoe. And this is bad boy. This is actually 30. I don't know what her thing is with like, with the tool set. I mean, to be fair, you need tool set to be making half of this stuff anyway, so but yeah, I rate it. Another look at the glove jacket. Oh, this is such a masterpiece. Like, this should be in museums or something, like real talk. And this is such a fluke that I actually found this because I was making another video and I come across this and yeah, crazy. And now we've got the sliders. Obviously, the Haribo sliders are decent, but them tissue sliders or whatever it's called, the sanitary towels or whatever, those are gas. Real talk, yeah. Round of applause for creativity because, like half the stuff you are creating, like, no one's even coming up with this stuff, and I'm literally so gassed to look at this stuff. Real talk. This is also sick as well. Having a bag where the bra's supposed to be, very utility or whatever it's called, and yeah, I fucked with it heavy. You've got the North Face covered sling. This is alright, to be fair. Yet again, creative. Some more sliders that she designed. That IKEA slider is different, like serious. And now lastly, we've got the Qatar bread hat, and trust me, after all of these designs, she must be on bread. She must be making bread. I'm not even joking. This Nicole girl, yeah, is so fucking creative, and like it's sort of like a fresh air of fashion, because obviously nowadays you just see the same old shit, like obviously Jordan ones, tracksuits, all of that. But this is certain. This is actually certain, and I do respect it and I do appreciate it a lot. And yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. If you do want, I will put her Instagram in the comment section below. I do believe that she's got a lot of followers anyway, but you know, a follow's a follow. Obviously my socials are down there as well. I ain't really mentioned that, but yeah, I hope you did enjoy. Please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.